Open a blank Flutter project. Create a new directory for the package. Open the terminal and change the directory to the package directory. Run a command to create the package. The command is flutter create template equals package followed by the package name. In this case, the package name is student detail. Press enter to execute the command, and the package will be created. New files have been created in the package folder. The main file is where we'll enter the code. There are some default codes in this file, which we'll remove and replace with our own code. While it's possible to add code directly in this file, we'll create another folder and file to maintain the structure of the package. Create a new directory named Screens. Inside the Screens directory, add a Dart file named studentcard.dart. In the parent file, establish a connection with the child file, studentcard.dart, using the part keyword. Provide the relative path to the child file. Open the parent file and use the part keyword followed by the relative path to the child file to establish the connection. Open the child file and reference the parent package using the partif directive. In the child file, import the material.dart library as needed for the required functionalities. Create a stateless widget named StudentList. There is an error, we should import it in the parent file. Remove it from the child file and include it in the parent file. In this file, we are displaying some student details in a list tile. So, we need some data in here. Create 3 string variables for student image, name, and age. Include those values in the constructor. Add the required keyword. Then create a list tile widget that displays data, including the image. This is the pubspec.yaml file for the package. This is the name of the package. Here, we have given the description of the package. This is the version of the package. Then we open the pubspec.yaml file of the parent project to add the package to the project. Here we include the package. Enter the package name. Then provide the relative path of the package. There is an error, we missed something. We need a full colon after this package name. Then press pub get. Package is included in the project. Then we call the widget that was created in the package here. The widget's name is student list. The package is imported here. Then we pass the parameters here. First, we pass an image path from the network. Then we pass the age and name. This is the image path. Then run the app. It is displayed. This is importing our package. It is possible to reuse any part of the project, and it is possible to add it to the pub.dev website for anyone to use. We will do another project to create something more valuable. This is for demonstration purposes. Thank you for watching.